Children, today we will do the interchange of exclamatory and assertive sentences. Exclamatory sentences are those which express our sudden feelings or emotions, and assertive sentences are just statements. Now here also there are certain rules that we have to follow while changing exclamatory sentences into assertive sentences and vice versa. Now the first rule is that when your exclamatory sentence begins with how or what, then in the assertive sentence they are removed and in its place we use the words very or great before the adjective. Now in your first example, the exclamatory sentence is how sweet the song is. When you change it into the assertive, you write it as the song. You begin with the subject. The song is very sweet. So here you see, instead of how, now here you have used very. So how sweet becomes very sweet. Then in the next example also, what a delicious meal. And remember children, there is an exclamatory mark at the end. And when you change it into the assertive, it is a very delicious meal. So here also, instead of what has been removed in the assertive, and in its place we have used the word very. And you start with the subject it. It is a very delicious meal, and you end with a full stop. The next rule is that when your exclamatory sentence begins with the words o, or would, then in the assertive sentence these words are removed and we use the word wish. Like here in the first example, the exclamatory sentence is O for a prize. So here the word O is used to express a wish or a desire. And when you change it, you remove O and you write the word wish. So you use this word wish. I wish I had won a prize. Then in the second example also, would that I had got success. So here also instead of would, you have used the word wish. I wish that I had got success. So in this way, if your sentence, exclamatory sentence begins with O or would, then they have to be removed and you use a proper sentence having the word wish. Now we use certain interjections like alas, hurrah and bravo in our exclamatory sentences. And these are the words that express our sudden feelings or emotions. Now if your exclamatory sentence starts with these words like alas or hurrah, then in the assertive sentence you remove them and you use a phrase related to the feeling that is expressed by that interjection. So like here in the first example, the exclamatory sentence is alas, he is sick. Now here we have used the word alas. Alas is a word that expresses sadness or sorrow. So now in the assertive you will use a phrase related to that feeling. So you will remove alas and use the phrase it is sad. And then you will use the word that to join the two clauses. He is sick. So it is sad. Instead of alas, it is sad, that, and then the second clause comes here, he is sick. Then in the same way, the second example also, hurrah, I have won the first prize. Now here also hurrah expresses happiness, joy or delight. So in the assertive you will remove it and use a phrase related to hurrah. So here the word hurrah is there and the phrase related to the feeling that is expressed by that word is it is a matter of joy. So you will be using this phrase. And then here also you will use the word that to join the two clauses. So your sentence becomes, it is a matter of joy that I have won the first prize. So children, these are the rules related to interchanging of exclamatory and assertive sentences. You will be able to interchange other sentences also, expressing different feelings if you follow the rules properly. I'll be sending exercises on transformation of sentences in the WhatsApp group, and you have to do them in your classwork register.